Hello, guys! I wish you are all doing great. If you want to learn how to make these infinity bracelets, you are in the right place. Keep on watching! We'll need scissors, a lighter, a connector with infinity shape or a ring shape, and a ruler. For the string, I'm using this nylon knotting cord. I'm using the black color. You can use any color you want. Cut two pieces of 30 inches, two pieces of 20 inches, and one piece of 10 inches. Take one of the 20 inches pieces and fold this in half. And then attach it into the connector. We're going to make a simple knot, and this way we're gonna fix the string in the connector. Do the same with the other side, with the other 20 inches piece. Place it on your wrist so you can see how long you will need to knot. You will need to stop about here to leave room for the adjuster. Mark how far you will need to knot. And then tape down your cards. Take one of the 30 inches pieces, center it, and tie a simple knot. And then we're going to start making the square knot. Take the right string, go over the middle one, and then take the left string, go over the right one and under the middle one and through the loop that has been formed from the right. Now start from the left side. Take the left string, go over the middle one, and then take the right string, go over the left one and under the middle one and through the loop that has been formed from the left side. Make few more knots and keep in mind that you have to start from the opposite side for each knot. We're gonna keep making knots until we reach the length that we want. The square knots are very easy to make. This is a closer look on how to make them. Now that we have reached the length that we want, take off your bracelets and then cut the excess cords, but be careful not to cut the middle one. And then melt the ends with a lighter. Measure the side that we did in order to make the same length on the other side. Now it's time to make the sliding closure, which will make it easy to put the bracelets on and off your wrists. Shape the bracelets into a circle and then take the 10 inches piece of the string and start making knots exactly like we did before. This sliding closure can be used also to close other type of bracelets. Cut the excess cord and then melt the ends with a lighter. Finally, make a knot on each of these strings, cut away the excess string, and melt the ends with a lighter. And now your bracelet is all done. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.